have a few days off, want to travel to Spain, and don't know where to go? Here, we uncover Spain from north to south and from east to west. Stay and look. Do you feel like going to the beach? Or do you prefer a natural environment? Visit charming small villages. Delve into flamenco dance and singing and meet the purebred Spanish horse. Immerse yourself in culture. Visit castles, mosques, palaces, or even hanging houses. Taste the gastronomy of each place and the fusion of flavors, from serrano ham to olives. Eat meat, seafood, vegetable, or even snail paellas. Don't miss fried fish, or a seafood feast. Grilled calçots, a variety of tapas in good company, Galician-style octopus, or pinzos. Spain has an impressive cultural and gastronomic richness. Can't find accommodation? Here's the scoop: the most luxurious and the most economical hotels. Wonderful campsites. Apartments to share with your partner, family, or friends. Visit Spain now. Pack your bags and don't think twice. Thinking of visiting areas of Spain you haven't explored yet? Find all the information here. Let's go.